Hey everyone, welcome to the first video in our series on building your own Slack app. I'm Santosh, and over to the next few videos we are going to build a cool and a practical app called Remindful, right? So without wasting any further time, let me just walk you through the course of content of this whole course. And this is going to be a set of videos, and in this particular video we are going to see basic introduction to the Slack app. We are going to see what is the difference between a Slack bot and a Slack app. We are going to see what are the different use cases for a Slack app, how we can use it in our workspace, right? And at the end of this video we are going to see what exactly we are going to build. I'll be just giving a gist of it, right? And over the next few videos I'll be just guiding you guys to how you can set up the Slack on the Slack website, and then how you can install it to your workspace, right? And I'll be also introducing you with some slash commands, what exactly are slash commands, how you can use those. And once that is done, we are going to build the Slack app. So earlier we understood about setting up the Slack bot, but in the next videos, coming up videos, we will be building it. By building it, what I mean is we are going to write the business logic for our app. So the business logic will contain all the CRUDs, right? We will be setting up all the slash commands that we are going to use inside the Slack app, and once we are done with setting up the slash commands, we are going to connect our business logic, basically the Slack app, with the code base. Like we are going to set up both of them so that we can use the slash commands from this Slack, and the business logic, our code base can handle the same, right? We are going to use different CRUD operations using the slash commands, right? So as you all guys knows, like Slack is used for team communication. It's just a communication platform, but the features of using the apps like the Google Calendar, Atlas, Zapier, and the polls, this brings a tons of features that makes your Slack more powerful, right? So using these different apps like the Google Calendar, if you install this app in your Slack workspace, it's literally gonna give you the schedule meeting reminders, right? Okay, so you are going to have this meeting at this particular time, right? So yeah, it's literally Slack on steroids, right? So you can create polls, and you can connect your Slack with your Jira like Atlas account, and all the Jira tickets that you have been assigned, you can see the status of it, right? So you can do that. You can do your Zapier integrations. So supposedly you have built some forms on Facebook, Meta, right? So from Meta you can connect your Zapier to your Slack workspace, so that you can get regular updates for your campaigns on running on your Meta accounts, right? So yeah, this is Slack apps, how you can use it, the use cases for it, right? So now let's see what is the difference between a Slack app and a Slack bot, because I also used to get a lot of confusion between both of them, right? So see Slack app as a whole universe where you have a Slack bot as a part of it, right? A Slack app can have different functionality. It can let your work, like you can integrate automations in your workflow using the Slack app. You can use third-party integrations like the Google Calendars. You can integrate your Google Sheets, Asana, Polls, Zapier, and number of apps are there. You can integrate with your Slack app, Slack account, and you can just increase your team's strength in way of communications, right? It has different interactive UIs. You have buttons, like you have buttons and about sections. You can do a lot of things from Slack, like, and it has also some slash commands that can be useful for connecting all the dots together, right? So this is the Slack app, right? But a Slack bot is something that used as a way of communication to your Slack app. So Slack bot will be sending you the messages on the behalf of your Slack app. It will be used as a interaction with the users. It can send you the notifications as well. So supposedly your Zapier is connected with your meta leads, like meta campaigns, right? Campaign forms. So a Slack bot can inform you whenever a person fills up that form, right? Every 15 minutes, every 20 minutes, or whatever the frequency, a Slack bot is going to just give you notifications, right? These many forms have been filled up. You can do a conversations with that, and after writing a like backend logic for that, and it just sends you the responses. So I hope you guys are clear with what is a Slack app and a Slack bot. And in this particular series of videos, we are going to build an app called Remindful. So from the name, you can just clearly guess it's going to be a reminder app where you can just put in all your reminders with a timestamp. Okay, just remind me at this particular time that I have to do something. It will just remind you at that particular time, right? We can create the reminders. We can read all the reminders that we will be creating. We can update a particular reminders. Supposedly I want to update a particular reminder for the time, right? I want to update the time. I don't want to let this reminder to be reminded at 5 o'clock. I want it to be reminded at 6, right? So we can update that. We can also delete that function. So basically we are going to cover all different CRUDs operations so that you can get a clear understanding of it. For the business logic, we are going to use nodejs, and store for storing the reminders, we are going to use MongoDB in this case, right? Let me just give you a brief of how we can use the slash commands. We are going to use slash remind me, and you can just write down what exactly you want to get reminded of. So supposedly create Slack app mom, like minute of meetings. So you can just write up that and just put a comma and write up the timing at what time you want this to remind you, right? So we are going to build this, and thanks for watching out this video. See you guys in the next video, getting our hands dirty with integrations and code base. Till then, bye bye, take care.